Hello, what's up gamers? Today we are going to see how to create an Android application without PC. You don't need to have any kind of programming knowledge for this. Today we are going to create a simple question and answer app. You can even create a log calculator or a dice rolling kind of application from this process. First of all, download the Sketchware application from the link in the description. Now open your Sketchware application. After opening the application, you will get this type of interface. Tap on create a new project and select a name for your application. For now, I am using Ask Babaji as a name for this application. Now tap on setting icon below the name of the application and change the package name of the application. You can put any name as a package name for the application. I am using com.ask.babaji for this package name. Now tap the Android icon at the top of the interface and choose an icon for your application. After you choose an icon for your application, tap on create app and open the project. Now select a layout called linear B and slide down it to your screen. After you slide down the linear B to your screen, adjust the height of the linear B. It must be corresponding to the size of your screen. Increase the height of the layout until it becomes corresponding to the size of your screen. Now select the width of the linear B layout and change it to corresponding to the screen size. It must be corresponding to the screen size. After that, take another linear B layout. This layout must be smaller than the previous one. Select the height to the required size. Now put the width of your layout smaller than the previous one. Now tap on the three dot icon at the top of the screen. Select image and tap the plus icon. Select a name for your image. For now I am using Baba as a name for my image. Tap on add image and add an image from the gallery. After you add an image from gallery, save it and go back to your project. Now select the smaller layout B and change the background resource to the image we just imported. Now take two layouts called linear H and put it below the last layout. Now put all the buttons according as shown in the left side of the video. Now adjust the size of both layout as needed. After you change the size of the layout as needed, then follow my all processes. It is a simple interface for us to ask question and Babaji to reply. This interface must look like we are asking Babaji the question and Babaji is answering to us. We will change various text size and text colors for this process. After making the interface for the application, we have to make it work. So tap on Axe button, go to events and tap on one click. Then this is the coding part of this application. You will get all the codes at the left side of the video, so you will not have any problems while writing this. Always remember that a computer cannot give you answers, but it can choose a random number. You can program computer to choose many random numbers, and thus you can put many answers. You can put funny answers that the computer will reply to you. After finishing everything, tap on the run button. Now your application is being built. Wait for some time and then install your application. The application has built successfully. Now install your application. Now let's open the application to see if it is working or not. Ask any question. As you can see here, Babaji is replying to us. You can add many funny answers and you can make it even better.